Chris. One of the rules, a very important differential rule to know for these types of problems is the general power rule. And the general power rule looks just like this. It says the derivative with respect to x of some constant a times x raised to any exponent n is equal to a times n x to the n minus 1. And that is known as the general power rule. And it's one of the more important basic rules that you need for calculus. You're going to use it for finding derivatives of polynomial functions, rational functions. You'll use it quite a bit. And even as you go further into your calculus, when you start doing the chain rule, you're going to use the general power rule as well. So if we apply that to your problems, we look at the derivative of 2x squared. First note that in this problem, a equals 2. That's our coefficient, 2. And n also equals 2. That's our exponent, 2. And so using the general power rule, we say a times n, so it's going to be 2 times 2, and then x to the n minus 1, so that's going to be 2 minus 1. And that's going to give us 2 times 2, which is 4x to the 1 power. And, you know, we don't usually need to use the 1 power, so we can just simplify this down to 4x. Nice. For the next problem, derivative of negative x cubed, note that a is equal to negative 1. We don't usually write the negative 1, but it's in there. It's negative 1. And n equals 3. So using the general power rule, we have a, which is negative 1, times n, which is 3, times x to the n, which is 3 minus 1. And that's going to give us negative 3x, 3 minus 1 is 2. For 8x cubed, a equals 8, n equals 3, and so we have 8 times 3 x to the 3 minus 1, which is going to give us 24 x squared. And I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget the general power rule. Have a good day.